Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can change your Instagram account to a private account. So first of all, you need to open the Instagram app. So now make sure you are already logged into your Instagram account. On the bottom of the screen you will see your avatar like icon. Tap on this icon, then this will take you to your profile. So once you reach this page, on the upper right corner of your screen you will see three horizontal lines. Tap on this, then you will see a pop-up. Tap on the settings option and you will see your option with privacy. Tap on this option, then under the account privacy heading you will see another subheading with private account. Tap on this. So if you switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you. Then to confirm, tap on the switch to private option. So that's how I've switched my normal Instagram account to a private account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.